this is Sandra from Greyd, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert websites that were built with our classic customizer Greyd.Suite version to the new full site editing version. I've got a full site template here from our template library, and I want to convert that to a full site editing website now. Here in my test stage it will look slightly differently than it will look like for you. You will see a notification in the back end that the new Greyd.Suite version is available, and you can then download and activate the Greyd plugin. I'm going to activate the theme now here and the plugin separately. And from here on you will see exactly the same. This is the standard installation wizard that new customers are also going to see. You can go through that quite quickly, don't have to think about any details. And now you will find our converter here. We may take a look at the front end now. To remind you, this was the website before. And now we can see, okay, the content is there, but obviously the design and the layout looks pretty differently, which is logical because all those styles have been handled in the customizer among others, and the customizer just doesn't exist anymore in full site editing. But no worries, you don't have to rebuild your site from scratch. We have developed a converter with which you can convert your content step by step to full site editing. It doesn't really matter in which order you convert your content, and as soon as you have not deleted these things here in the last step, you can always go back to your classic version by activating the previous Greyd.Suite theme again. In general, before you start converting, you should make a backup, of course, in GreydHub. Okay, so now let's start. The first thing here is the styles. It's just one click to convert them. Styles is everything that had been handled in terms of design in the customizer, and in full site editing it's now called global styles in the site editor. And if we take a look at the front end, it now already looks a lot more than our initial website, but not fully 100%, because, for example, we have to also convert the fonts. We have a converter here, as you can see. The only thing that you might need to do is to assign certain elements like headlines, buttons, whatever, in the site editor to the respective fonts again. But it should have worked here now. Yes, we have our Robo font, looks quite good now. Menus, unfortunately, cannot be converted automatically, so this is quite the only thing that you have to do manually. What you had as a menu and on your old website, you have to rebuild that in the navigation block. You will find information on that in our help center. But the header and footer in general, they can be converted. They had been handled as system templates and in a customizer before, and now in full site editing they are called template parts. And let's just do that. It's highlighted here because with the menu thing and also some layout thing, the header is something that won't work 100% perfectly. So you will have to do some manual adjustment here, but the basics, the logo, burger, etc. are already here. So it's just some fine tuning you have to do now and take care of your menus. Other than that, we have some templates that we need to convert, the so-called system templates like the 404 page, search results, archive, single, etc. Let's convert them with a couple of clicks, because now in full site editing these are managed in the site editor as regular templates. Other than that, you don't have to deal with any of your dynamic templates, as they work exactly the same like before. And that's already it. Like I said, you have to check the header and footer layout and your menus, and other than that, your page looks more or less exactly the same as before, including posts, etc. This was the website before. So go over your website, maybe do some fine-tuning, but this is a really, really good starting point, and you don't have to worry about having to rebuild your entire website. As soon as you have checked everything in the front end and you're 100% sure that you are done and everything is fine, then you can delete the old data so your database is clean. But this is definitely the point of no return. Up to now, you could have always gone back by reactivating the old theme. As soon as you click these 4 buttons here, that won't be possible anymore. So make sure that everything is fine before that. And then you can clean your database, which shouldn't have any effect in the front end. As I said, it's just about having a clean database without any old data. So as you can see, converting your existing websites to full site editing is just a couple of clicks, and then you can benefit from all the new features and possibilities the new Greyd.Suite and full site editing have to offer. Of course, you will find lots of tutorials on the global styles, the site editor, and each and every new feature in our Help Center.
For more videos and information, please visit our Help Center.